happens to us in 49 centigrade, a laborer means our ambulance they are not carrying the patients. This is the region where heat waves we are getting, but
they ignore, mock or normalize it. Awareness helps us recognize the problem earlier, reduce the shame and stigma, and encourage the people to seek help. Relationship suffers, and most importantly, our physical health declines.
Successful nowadays because we face many problems. Every person,
economical or political has suffered for terrorism for so many years, especially after 2001. United States of America has shown very strong time. The Osama bin Laden was believed to be hiding in Afghanistan under the protection of Taliban government.
A topic that is very close to our daily life, that is healthy lifestyle. So, in simple words, healthy lifestyle means taking care of our body, mind and habits. So that
diseases. Common infectious diseases are TB, malaria and through touching infected surfaces or through infected symptoms. Symptom tell us something treatment. Some infectious diseases are treatable.
Doctor, I am going to talk about a very important topic, which is stress management. As you all know that every person, every individual in the universe facing stress. What is stress? Stress is a physical, emotional, and you have to do physical activity, you have to do yoga, you have to stretch yourself, you have
are monitoring the patient vital sign and documenting the care, showing safe and attentive nursing care and patient safety.
I was told that girls don't raise their voice or speak up for themselves. I strongly believe that girls has the power, has the right to speak.
We cannot achieve our goals. Why? People may not believe in ourselves because they are afraid to our change or success. They do not understand
and both of them affect patient safety learning and patient safety learning and global communication.
Like a blanket around our planet. Dictatorship is a system in which all powers in one person. We will take an example.
Assalamu alaikum to all my respected teachers and their fellows. Today my topic is believe in yourself. Believe in yourself is really important in our life. Believe in yourself gives
make a proper disciplines. We need a proper discipline. Then we explain and we save times and our life. This is a discipline is a make good things.
Healthy objectives